So let's begin. For today, the main topic under the discussion will be market making during the bear and bull market. So I think everybody here is somehow interacted to the cryptosphere and crypto structure and fully understand that for now we are in some bullish trend, but so bullish trend is not the end of crypto. GotBit was structured in 2017, and till today we faced three global bull markets with very deep conditions. So speaking truly, as for me as a trader, I like bull market more than bearish, because during the bearish market, people and traders are not getting educated. Everybody's going to have more and more money just to buy one token on IDO, and flip it after. So everybody's looking just to earn some dollars and do not get educated. So each token that you invest, each coin you invest, each project you are looking for on the bull market will get growing and growing. So locally, the main thing in crypto, as for me, for now, we are on the period of standing, is just to get some mass adoption. But the mass adoption is not possible when people and projects, teams are not really educated. So just everyone's looking for some money, not for the knowledge. So for this thesis, that's the main thing. During the bear market, everybody around the GotBit is trying to get more educated. So if to speak about not the physics side, not about the physical investors, but to speak about the projects, bear market is really terrifying, because of each project is looking for some investments. That's not important just to have the physical investors. That can be OTC deals, that can be some fundraisers, doesn't matter. So the main thing for the project during the bear market, unfortunately, not each project, not each team can understand it, is to keep the community hyped. So usually projects start to cut the costs during the bear market, but that's not the key, because just cutting the costs doesn't mean that you can survive after, or you can perform after the bear market. So let me share the screen to show a presentation, how GotBit performed during this year, during previous periods, and how we perform even on this market. Everybody says that market don't give any opportunities to earn, market doesn't give any opportunities to be more educated, to find some tokens to invest. Projects are very upset with the certain situation. But speaking truly, this time is to build, and this time to get educated. So let me share the screen to show some cases. So I hope you can see my screen. So the main topic of the presentation is how to predict or build the token pump. So crypto pump looks like this for 90%, 99% of retail guys, of the physical investors. But the main thing behind is the project, is the project team who are looking and who usually knows the main aims and the main targets for each price action on the market. And we are the guys who are making these price actions. Of course, so the thing is that we are looking for retail guys and creating some formations on the chart to invest, but the main target and price issuers are the project's team. So this yellow circle on the chart was the same picture as on the previous slide. Yeah, you can see as a retail guy just the yellow road and think, okay, so that's enough for me. But usually this formation shows that something bigger is coming. So for the projects, especially not only for the stock market or crypto, not only for the crypto market, yeah, even these formations are rather popular on stock markets too. So you can see that this one was just a test of market maker on the market, just to see how the price can move. So what to expect from the global aim. And of course, in the further period, so the pump was reached to 452% just in some days, yeah, 2 months. Even one more thing, the previous picture is the purple circle on this chart. Here you can see that in 1 month, market maker predicted that the price can go a lot higher than it was previously. And speaking truly, that retail guys, yeah, usually buy on the highest points. So the main volumes are located here, and other wave of enormous volumes were located here. So the main buy activity was located on the highest price of the token for the whole history. Here you can see one more picture, yeah. So that's all a great plan of market makers and the project. So that's how it usually performs, 300x's just in 9 months, yeah. So the thing is that retail guys cannot see the whole picture. Market makers are the guys who bring the vision of how they bring the vision to the projects, yeah, how the full picture should be. So of course that's an enormous and hard job to do, but projects don't believe, yeah, they don't trust themselves during the bear market. But that doesn't matter. The market really doesn't matter. So you can find one community, but you have an opportunity to find another. You have your certain community, not so trusted, not so hot. You just cannot track the fresh blood, because for now, yeah, everybody's looking for some investments. Because so bear market means that you cannot earn on trading, but you can earn on investment. So that's also a key. So about the GotBit, we have the main thing, yeah, our main business lines are the hedge fund and the market making. So under the asset management, we have $450 million, generated $18 million of profits in October for our clients. October, as for me, as for the lead trading desk, was, it seems, yeah, like it was the worst month during the whole bear market, which is for already a year, yeah, more than a year. So even now, we have 240 tokens under our market making, 300 institutional clients, so including partners, of course, 120 team members, and we were found in 2017, which brings some clarity, yeah, that we know how to make projects live even on the bear market, because I would repeat one more time, yeah, that's the main thing, because losing the trust on bear market, project is dead on the bull market, because they have no community after it, they have no transparency, so nobody will trust you as a founder, nobody will trust you as a project, so of course you will lose everything. Here is our big team. The main things about the market maker, yeah, even in GotBit. So that's the community. Community, of course, brings the liquidity. They support the price actions, and of course, the better DEX you have, the more money you will gain, the more community will attract. So we can help with all these points mentioned. So we correlate and divide two parts. So it's the VCs who bring liquidation. We can liquidate their position. We can show an investment's performance and create a great deal flow, because so bear market is not about the trading, yeah, but that's more about investment, as was mentioned previously. Projects are looking for some investments, try to rise, or just try to start to create the project, because for now they have a lot of time, because the market is bearish, yeah, they're not in a hurry just to get some money, they're more about the idea. So they start building And for retail guys, for physical investors, the bear market is the best time to start looking for the project they will invest in the nearest period, because the bear market is the time of builders. Another point is the liquidity, profits, and dividends. So that we can give for the projects. So during these 5 years, we have made a lot of different connections with top guys, in crypto, launch pads, just the regular guys, who became great investors with a great background, having a good experience and advisory, just making some tokenomics, getting some connections. So GotBit can be the provider of the project to the real Web3 world. So that's really important thing. Yeah, let's go further. So just let's talk about the GotBit clients. So these cases are performed right now. Yeah, some of them are under the NDA, but we can share the charts we have created. So the token was just going, and we have created a plan with the project, and under this plan was a great pump. As you see, here was the test. This one was already a test, and the third way, just push the token to the moon. Yeah, we have performed 160x's in 2 months. Let's share another. So GotBit clients pumps also. The Crypt DAO is an enormous project with a great DAO with good connections. Some connected with the hackers, as anonymous guys, and all around it. So in 1 week, we reached 250x's, supporting with the marketing, supporting with all the stuff around. So the marketing, attracting fresh blood, showing some liquidity, showing volume pumps. As you see here, was an accumulation. And we already here was a great test. So this pump was for 200% to access just in 2 days. And that was just a test. Also, the VT, they like meme coins a lot because they're the first thing, they're community driven. Project founders are usually very open with their community, and they support it even on this market. So that's a great thing to know, because if the project's main team is supporting their community, that's a great opportunity, and you have to believe this project, because they will never let you down with them. So they will help you, assist you, and of course the transparency, the clarity between community and project's team is one of the main things. You have to analyze not only the chart, not only the price, not only the tokenomics. You have to analyze also the team, because that's very important to know in which team you invest. So that's one of the main points, and VT is a great case to show, because during 1 month we performed 5 DEXs. Community was really attracted, was really happy, and still now the price is keeping and performing rather good, because of the thematic, because of the approach of the team. And of course, the market makers here, we perform rather good, because you can see this pump was not in one stage, it included 7 stages. They were really hard, but the results can speak for it. 6 main metrics of the market and of the pump, framework for evaluating GEM is the macro view, project analysis, including the team, on-chain analysis to understand the main statistics about the token circulation, how it is going, because for example, you can understand when from one exchange people are just withdrawing all the tokens, they will sell them on the decentralized one. So that's really a scary thing, so please be careful with on-chain statistics. Check the accumulations. The main thing is the volume, the momentum, and after pump. You just can analyze. So on each chart you can find the pump. That can be not 100,000%, but that can be also 100%. If it is dumped immediately to the previous level, then you can understand, you can judge that the pump and the price growth will be really hard, because so there are a lot of tokens on hand. You can also check it by on-chain analytics. GotBit combine all this info when we start the price activities, when we start to work with project. We know whole picture. We know how can it be grown, what are the main price levels, how is community driven. So all these points we combine in one just to show the best performance on the market for the projects, and of course for the retail guys, because as mentioned, they're really important. So this was just a pump, just in 3 days. We got to 6x's and stabilized nearby 4. So also a great case. Under the macro view, what we mean, that's the main things, just CPI, FED, FOMC, NFP. So Bank of Japan, also Asians are very important on certain markets, DFY and interventions, non-farms, initial job claims, then the cross courses, cross currency, Euro USD. Here you can see some tags of macro view, how it was changed and how it affected BTC, the global things, which are about the policy, about the stuff going around, and our favorite cryptocurrency. So under the macro view, we have a lot of things. There is a calendar which we share with our partners and with our clients, so they are always informed and educated by us about what is going on the global stuff. Project analysis is the backers plus team traction of the project, something just to be more transparent. That's the roadmap and all the stuff and how it is going, just updated roadmap, and the community, of course. So by the chart you can judge what happened. We have a lot of algos which connect the social media activity with the price actions. So before we started to work with the project, we collect this data just to be most productive on the markets we work with, because this is very important information. Not many guys, not many market makers can do that, and so that's speaking truly, that's really important thing, how your community reacts on your social media activity. Just 1 moment, sorry. On-chain analytics, that's the main thing. The block scanner, Nansen into the block, and Duna. So these are the 4 main things we use to understand and to parse what is happening on the tokens market, because the circulation supply is one of the most important things. If you do not understand how it works, there is no way on this market just to earn a lot, because circulating supply is the thing how community trusts your project. If you understand that it is going down, 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 of course, everybody will sell. If they withdraw tokens enormously from centralized exchanges, they for sure will sell that on decentralized. So be careful and check this info each time you want to invest in projects. On chain analytics and on chain statistics is a very important thing. So the on-chain analysis, blockchain that democratize markets, CVP on-chain IDB, so here you can see the whole statistic about the volumes, losses, profits, how much community earned, how much the big holders earned. So, and of course, this all data is for everybody. You just can check it, but not many people use it, unfortunately. And of course, that's a big thing. If we understand that not many people use this info, we can play against them as market makers, as project. So it doesn't matter. If you just if you have the info, you can earn. You don't have it, you will not earn. So here is the different view of the same chart about the accumulation. That's the risk management, money management, risk profile, and 27th zone from Fibonacci on 1 day. One of the most useful and useful and popular indicator. So the risk management is, of course, the main thing. If you have a hedge fund, if you work with funds, or the project, doesn't matter. If you just work with funds, you have to you have your risk management be prepared, because in other way you will lose everything. So buy and hold, but smartly. Yeah, that's the main thesis. So you can see the first buy recognition was made by us. Yeah. The GotBit put support here just to hold the level, because if on the chart there was accumulated a support level, if it was broken, it will be a lot more hard to recover it. So that's a smart money spending. Accumulation here starting and taking profits on the top. So that was a great trade, and of course everybody was happy with it. So the same thesis, yeah, just to understand how we worked after the pump. This line is usually called the after pump accumulation. Is called the accumulation of whale, and of course whales after the accumulation start pushing the price by themselves. That of course can be not only the market makers, even the physical guys can do that if they have a lot of money. So yeah, just be careful, because after the pumps, a lot of whales start to accumulate, and you have to understand who is it doing, the project's team, market makers, or the physicals. So the momentum is about the social community, yeah, Twitter, Telegram, the sentiments, momentum and RSI indicators, volume indicators. So just to, as told you, just to connect the social media activity with the activity of price on the charts. Recognize the pump, yeah. Here you can see on the RSI that it was oversold. The token on this point was oversold and have never reached this point before. So that's a great thesis to buy the token. Also the momentum about the FIBO, horizontal volumes, you can see where it was accumulated. As you see, yeah, this part was the most accumulative part. After came some sales, but on the down of accumulation, we faced an uptrend line. And after pump, sell 50% at 2x from your entry point, just to hedge the entry money. Keep an eye on key levels, the main price levels. Check the level Twitter and Discord for insights, because usually after pump, teams become very active and try to hold the community they generated during the price activity, because that's very important for the project. And we also recommend all guys we work with to do the same way. We even have some writers and the consulting team to suggest what to do about the project part, because after the pump, yeah, you just with us you can accumulate a lot of money and use this money with your head, not to rubbish it. How to exit safely? Here are the main levels of the pump, so you just can check. Typical hedge fund trading desk. For Web3 founders and VCs, just some work with professionals. That's about us. Yeah, we're mostly algo developed. Our algos, our team, yeah, is developed by mathematicians. Our own platform, which show the main transparency, 120 team members, 50 trading desks. Of course, each project will get the personal manager, the trading manager, account manager, and all the stuff. So GotBit is famous about its approach. Yeah, we just want to work with projects closely, or our team one more time, and so just some links. So locally, that was the main things, yeah, to know, because all the performances you have seen on the screen share were made during the bear market. So if to understand, yeah, projects are just crying, telling that, so we don't need, we want to cut our costs. There is no way to repair the trust for the community if you just cut the costs for your market making team. Yeah, because cutting the cost for market making means that you will have no chart, no volumes, you will have no assist on the market, and even with GotBit assist of the project, because as told, the approach is the main thing, and we help not only about the market, so we are the friends of our projects, we're really partners with them. Yeah, so that's very important stuff. Just things to be added, yeah. Of course, there are a lot of different services on Cryptosphere, yeah. So
since there comes the three of us here, right? Can I answer something?
Sure.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, got something with my mic. Yeah.
Yeah. How many? So basically, how many projects one manager of your team in charge?
How many projects we have in life? Yeah.
No, I mean, so you said you have 120 people in your team, and you said every project has own manager. I'm interested how many projects per one manager.
Usually that's 2 projects per one manager. Yeah.
Oh, like this. Okay. And speaking about bull and bear market, now we clearly in the bear market. How you feel about your sales? Most projects come to you at first time, or coming back to you as second and last times and more times?
Sure, got the question. So for now, the stream of projects got a lot less, because one of the main things we were building during the bull run was that we assisted in launches. So for the launches, the stream got lower because projects are scared to be launched on bear market. For me, that's not the thesis, speaking truly, because I think the launches on bear market give more opportunities on the bull run. So for now, nobody will sell your token. So and you will have power to perform on the bull run. Yeah, that's the one thesis. For the usual market making, there is a still good stream because, as I told you, projects for now on this bear market, 3 years ago was another situation. But for now, they understand that they have to keep their community active because there will be no way, and they will spend a lot more money to repair the trust after the bear market if they haven't performed anything during this period. And also the LTV of our clients is really big. So I think that for now the LTV is 16 months. So the usual project indoor of GotBit stays with us for 16 months.
Okay, I get it. And also again, talking about bear market and launching on bear market, do you help mostly? So you tell you mostly help projects with launch, but I am big fan, for example, of token Cult. I personally had invested into that, and so you help projects only to make money on the launch, or at the later phases too?
We can also connect to the market. So there is, of course, the launch is not the key. So that's one of the services we provide. We launch the tokens, onboard them from the VC levels, help with fundraising, all the stuff, and launch them by ourselves. But of course, we can just, for example, your friend has a token and there is no market makers, or some market makers they don't like on the market, or the market makers usually don't bring profits to the project. We bring really good profits to our projects with whom we work, and of course we can connect to the market if the token is trading already. That doesn't matter for us.
Okay, got you. I knew a little bit more about your about GotBit. Thank you for explaining.
Thank you for your questions. It was really interesting.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Is it possible to have a presentation, by the way? The money
to share it with you? Yeah, sure.
Yeah, person you can send.
Not a problem. Yeah, we'll share it with you.
Yeah, merci. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your speech. It was good to hear.
Always here. Yeah, always glad.
Yes,
So if any questions, you just can contact us. We'll be pleased to communicate with you more.
Sure. Yeah. Ciao.
See you.